This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Zilberer. Looking for low maintenance, like new home with no steps? Look at this 2-bedroom, 2-bath cluster home located close to MDH's medical campus. This 1-level home has everything you need, updated with luxury viny plank flooring in the living and family rooms, beautiful updated kitchen with new stainless steel appliances, tiled backsplash, and new countertops with under-the-counter stainless steel sink. New bath with wonderful custom tiled walk-in shower, new plumbing fixtures, new interior and exterior lighting, new furnace and air conditioner are just a few updates to this move-in ready home. Bonus living in this Custer home is the association handles mowing and snow removal for you with a low association fee. For more information, review the details below.